masyadong mabilis ang pagyanig ng puso ko para sa puso mo. Siguro nga ako ay makulit, ayaw makinig sa takbo ng isip. Hindi ko maipilit, tila ko'y nakalutang nasa langit, ngunit nalulunod sa iyong mga ngiti. At kung hanggang dito lang talaga tayo, hindi pa babayaan ng daang tinahak na kapiling ka. At kung umabot tayo hanggang dulo, ang kapit lang ng mahigpit, aabutin natin ang mga tala. Tala, 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 ningning ng mga tali na kikita ko sa iyong mga mata. Tala, 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 ningning ng iyong mga matay, nahanap ko sa mga tala. Maaaring kinabukasan ay mag-iba ng ihip ng iyong ninanais, ngunit maaaring ba kahit na pansamantala lang, ikaw muna'y maging akin. Tila ko'y nakalutang nasa langit, ngunit nalulunod sa iyong mga ngiti. At kung hanggang dito lang talaga tayo, hindi pa babayaan ng daang tinahak na kapiling ka. At kung umabot tayo hanggang dulo, kapit lang ng mahigpit, aabutin natin ang mga tala. Tala, 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 ningning ng mga tali na kikita ko sa iyong mga mata. Tala, 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 ningning ng iyong mga matay, nahanap ko sa mga tala. Hindi man ako nilagay sa mundong ito para sa iyo, parang nakatingin ang buong daigdig bago ko'y yakap-yakap mo. At kung hanggang dito lang talaga tayo, hindi pa babayaan ng daang tinahak na kapiling ka. At kung umabot tayo hanggang dulo, kapit lang ng mahigpit, aabutin natin ang mga tala. Tala, 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 ningning ng mga tali na kikita ko sa iyong mga mata. Tala, 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 ningning ng iyong mga matay, nahanap ko sa mga tala. Ningning ng mga tali na kikita ko sa iyong mga mata. Ang ningning ng iyong mga matay, nahanap ko sa mga tala.
Thank you very much. So that is Tala. Slow version. Yearning version, sabi nila. Grabe, nag-relapse ako dun saglit. Di ba, Red? And thank you very much po. Thank you, RR!
Thank you so much. Welcome, guys. Press 1 po sa mga nag-relapse. Itutuloy ba natin ang mga relapse songs? Ha? Gusto niyo bang malungkot? Gusto niyo ba yung nasasaktan kayo? Okay. Let me know if you wanna hear more hugot songs. Opo, gusto niyo yan, gusto niyo yung mga ganyan, nasasaktan kayo. So, sinasabi ko sa'yo. Relapse, best. If I were a boy. Ang taas naman nan. If I were a boy. Meron ako nakitang magandang song dito sa comment section. Hintayin natin to. So, itong song na to is para po sa mga nasa situationship. Yung para bang kayo pero hindi. Tapos hindi mo alam kung ano ba talaga tayo. Kasi hindi nga malinaw eh. Hindi niyo siya pinag-uusapan. So, nagbabatuhan lang kayo. Puro kayo mixed signals. Or binibigay niya sa'yo puro mixed signal. So, hindi mo maintindihan kung ano ba talaga, gusto mo ba ako o hindi? Friends lang ba tayo o hindi? Are we just friends or more than friends? Guys. So, the song is para po sa mga naghuhulaan. The song is for you guys. Bakit ba nagpapaakit sa bawat likha mong tinig? Wala namang kasiguraduhan. Meron ba akong kalalagyan sa magulo mong damdamin? Di alam kung para sa'kin pa ang iyong nararamdaman. Kailan mo balit napunan? Ba't lang lumalalim kada hakbang palapit sa tiyapang? Walang malinaw na sagot, parang palaisipan. Hulaan ang kalaban-laban, di ka mailagan. Gusto mo lang ba ko sa tuwing ika'y nag-iisa? Hula-hulaan, 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 hula-hula. Sige, sakyan ko ng himig, halo-halo man ang pahiwatig mo. Dapat na bang matauhan? Apat na buwan ka nang pinagbibigyan. Haba-haba ng pagkalang lumalalim kada hakbang palapit sa tiyabang. Walang malinaw na sagot, parang palaisipan. Hulaan ang kalaban-laban, di ka mailagan. Gusto mo lang ba ko sa tuwing ika'y nag-iisa? Anong panghahawakan? Di malaman. Sa'kin mo lang ba to ginagawa? Hula-hulaan, 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 hula-hulaan. Gusto lang ako pag nag-iisa. pag nangangamba. Gusto lang ako pag nag-isa. Puno ka amba, nakakalito kang ibigin. Kung di pa handa, magbabalik-balik sa'kin. Puno ka amba, nakakalunod kang ibigin. Kung di pa handa, magbabalik-balik hulaan. Anong bang hahawakan? Di malaman-laman. Gusto mo lang ba ko sa'yo? Pag-isa. Yeah. Salamat po. Thank you po. Yeah, 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 yeah. Grabe naman. Hi, Jenny. Alam mo yan, nak. Ano, nak? Ano daw? Durog na ako dito. Parang option lang na pag no choice na. Diba? Ano ba? Ano ba talaga? Okay. Hindi ko na talaga alam. Bigyan mo ko ng sagot. Ayoko na naghuhulaan tayo dito. Wow! 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 Relapse malala. Hi, Joseph! Wow! Yeah, thank you, RR, for being here. I really do appreciate you being here. Thank you, thank you. I think it's your first time here on my live. Thank you po, and welcome. Welcome to my chaotic live. Die on this hill. Beh, taas naman ang mga request niya. Hulaan, die on this hill, pusong ligaw. Ang tataas, Ben. Na my heart will go on. My heart will go on pang ano yan pang TikTok universe. Grabe yung mga song request niyo pang grand finals, bes. I Surrender Golden. I Have Nothing. The best kayo, the best. The best kayo, the best. Your man. Baby, lock the door and turn the lights down low. Na 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 na. The best ka kasi. The best talaga kayo. No, kayo ang the best. Don't say that. Kayo ang the best, not me. You guys. Hindi ko alam yung I Do. By Cherish. Mag-English naman tayo. Bakit parang Miko Estrada? Siya talaga yung sa ano. Siya talaga yun. Your man, baby, lock the door and turn the lights down low. Sige, kanta tayo. This song is from Adele.
Covers PH.
Tama ba? Ito pala. Sana po magustuhan nyo, guys. And hopefully you can follow me if you haven't followed me, guys, here on TikTok. And of course, please do follow me on my socials, Chloe Redondo. The song is for you guys. Help me achieve my goal, guys. Thank you. Everybody loves the things you do, from the way you talk to the way you move. Everybody here is watching you, 'cause you feel like home. You're like a dream come true. But if by chance you're here alone, can I have a moment before I go? 'Cause I've been by myself all night long, hoping you're someone I used to know. You look like a movie, you sound like a song. My God, this reminds me of when we were young. Let me photograph you in this light, in case it is the last time that we might be exactly like we were before we realized we were scared of getting old and made us restless. It was just like a movie, it was just like a song. But I was so scared to face my fears, 'cause nobody told me that you'd be here. And I swear you moved overseas, that's what you said when you left me. Still look like a movie, you still sound like a song. My God, this reminds me of when we were young. Let me photograph you in this light, in case it is the last time that we might be exactly like we were before we realized we were scared of getting old and made us restless. It was just like a movie, it was just like a song. When we were young, when we were young, when we were young, when we were young. It's hard to admit that everything just takes me back to when you were there, to when you were there. And a part of me keeps holding on, just in case it hasn't gone. I guess I still care. Do you still care? It was just like a movie, it was just like a song. My God, this reminds me of when we were young. Let me photograph you in this light, in case it is the last time that we might be exactly like we Thank you. Thank you po. Salamat po. Hi, Caps. Thank you. Salamat po. Hello po. Thank you po. Anong title? When We Were Young po. Thank you so much. Natawa ako na. Sorry, kaka-download ko lang ng ano. Salamat for being... Oo, salamat po. Salamat po for being here. Thank you. Thank you sa update. Full cover on YouTube ng... When We Were Young. Everything's made to be broken. Listen? Bakit naman listen? Nung ako'y bata pa. Isang Adele. Isang Adele daw oh. Feeling ko too much sweets na ako today. Kape ako kanina. Nag-coke pa ako. Sagbuko juice ako. Ay! Halo-halo ng ininom ng e-abab na ito. Yun. Mali yun napindot. Sorry. Pa-pa-pa-pam, pa-pa-pa-pam, pam-pam-pam. Pam-pam-pam, pam-pam-pam. Diba? Antok na siya. Hey, good morning po sa ating 439 viewers. Welcome. Welcome to my live. Thank you very much for being here. And if you haven't followed me po here on TikTok, please do follow me. Die on this hill. Alaala mo. Alaala mo sa akin na yung mga gulo. Guys, please do share the live po sa inyong mga friends. Let them know I am live today. Wow. Thank you very much po. Piano in the Dark. Piano in the Dark. myself watching the time. I never think about all the funny things you said. I feel like it's dead. Where is it leading me now? I turn around in the still of the room, knowing this is when I'm gonna make my move. Can't wait any longer, and I'm feeling stronger than ever. Just as I walk through the door, I can feel your emotion. Yes, it's pulling me back, back to love you. I'm not caught up in the middle. I cry just a little when I think of letting go. Oh no, give up all the riddle. I cry just a little when he plays piano in the dark. And you hold me close like a beat of a heart. It plays a melody, wants to tear me all apart. The silence is broken, no words are spoken, but just as I walk through the door, I can feel your emotion. Yes, it's pulling me back, back to love you. I'm not caught up in the middle. I cry just a little. Hi, Sir Jen. Thank you so much for dropping by. Wow, thank you po. Give up all the rhythm. I cry just a little when he plays piano in the dark. Thank you so much, Sir Jed. It was nice seeing you nung week-long finals. The silence is broken, no words are spoken, but just as I walk through the door, I can feel your emotion. Yes, it's pulling me back, back to love you. I'm not caught up in the middle. I cry just a little when I think of letting go. Oh no, give up all the riddle. I cry just a little, cry, cry. I'm not caught up in the middle. I cry just a little when I think of letting go. Oh no, give up all the riddle. I cry just a little when he plays piano in the dark. Ate Marie, hello. Hi, Slim. Thank you so much. Hello po sa ating mga viewers today. Hi! Nakanta ko na po yung slow version ng Tala. Thank you po. Thank you, Slim, for reposting. First time of your live stream. Thank you. Thank you. Welcome. Welcome po to my live. Thank you for the repost. Best nga sa request niyo, guys. But yeah, hopefully you can help me achieve my goal, guys. Hopefully you can help me achieve my goal. Tran. Hi, Daddy! Kauwi ka na, Daddy? Niwan mo si Kuya. Diyos ko, munti ko na naman mamute. Sino? Si Daddy? Yan. Ay! Thank you, ate! Thank you, ate Marie! On the way. Ingat po sa biyahe. Mar. Bab, baka mamit mo si Daddy, Bab. Excuse me. Never enough? Hindi ako sure sa never enough because my voice is kinda tired na. So, baka meron po kayo ibang song request. Kasi baka mapahiya lang po tayo sa song. I'm sorry. Maybe next time. Katahin ko yan. Maybe next time. Let me be the one. Let me be... Ay, balik tayo sa mga chill songs. Pero mapanakit, ganyan. Stephen, welcome back. Sir James, hello! Good morning po. Let me be the one. Let me be the one. Ito na ang Let Me Be the One. Thank you po, Sir James.
Somebody told me you were leaving. I didn't know. Somebody told me you're unhappy, but it doesn't show. Somebody told me that you don't want me no more. No. So you're walking out the door. Nobody told me you've been crying every night. Nobody told me you've been dying, but didn't want to fight. Nobody told me that you fell out of love from me. So I'm setting you free. Let me be the one to break it up, so you won't have to make excuses. We don't need to find a setup where someone wins and someone loses. We just have to say our love was true, but it's now become a lie. So I'm telling you I love you one last time, and goodbye. Somebody told me you still love me, I didn't know why. Nobody told me that you only needed time to fly. real again. Let me be the one to break it up, so you won't have to make excuses. We don't need to fight a setup where someone wins and someone loses. We just have to say our love was true, but I still become a lie. So I'm telling you, I love you one last time. And goodbye, just turn around and walk away. You don't have to live like this, no. But if you love me still, then stay. Don't keep me waiting for the final kiss. We can work together through this test, or we can work through it apart. I just need to get this off my chest, that you will always have my heart. Let me be the one. Let me be the one to break it up, so you won't have to make excuses. We don't need to find a setup where someone wins and someone loses. We just have to say our love was true, but I still become a lie. So I'm telling you, I love you one last time. And goodbye.
Thank you po. Thank you, Ate Marie. Thank you, everybody. Sa mga nag-request ng song, thank you. Wow. Ay, wow. Sayo? Do you know how to sing Sayo by Sarah? Yes, I know how to sing it. Yeah. Hello po to our 360 viewers. Hello po. If you haven't followed me here on TikTok, please do follow me, guys. Thank you for the heart me. Hopefully, you can help me achieve my goal, guys. Again, gusto ko lang po magpasalamat sa inyo lahat, sa ating supporters over here. Thank you, guys. Hindi ko po alam dati yung Bless the Broken Road. Kantayin daw natin yung Sayo. Tulog na. Ate Ivor! Ready ka na? Bali. Kasi ako hindi. Tulog na rin tayo maya-maya. Love you, ate. Ready na umaura. Magdadress na lang ako. Feeling. Sarap sa tenga, sakit sa mata. Hindi. Sige, order tayo. Order. Bahala na. Oo. Totoo, may time pa tayo. Sisig po, table 7. Joke lang. Ay, ate, may paparinig ako sa'yo. Send ko mamaya? After nito? Or bukas? Pinamix ko ulit eh. Yung song. Okay, I will message you later. Or tomorrow. Anong oras na? 2:30 na. 2:40 na. Magto 2:40 na. So, magla-last 3 songs tayo. Hindi ko alam. Pwede ba? Pwede ko ba siya kantahin? Hindi ko rin alam eh kung pwede ko siya kantahin eh. Parang pwede. Ay, yes. Okay, ipa-plug ko na rin na ako yung OST. Na-release ba? Ah, yeah, okay. Guys, kailan siya? April... Wait lang. Kailan ulit siya? Black Saturday. Huh? Hindi ka manggaganyan, bes. Charing. Black Saturday is April 4. Ah, yes, ma'am. So, April 4, April 5. Eh, di mo... April 4? April 4 tayo? Okay. Okay, guys. Sana panoorin nyo po ang I Felt It's Fine. Movie po yan ni Ate Glyza De Castro and Rian Ramos. So, sana po panoorin nyo po siya soon. Very soon. Mapapanood nyo po siya worldwide and cinemas. So, ako po yung OST nila. And, yeah. Sana po, stream nyo rin yung song very soon. Once na-release na siya sa streaming platforms. Yes! So, sana po magustuhan nyo. First time ko siya kakantahin dito. Wait lang. Kinabahan ako bigla. Kasi, nag-explain. Wait lang po. Hi, Vince! Okay, guys. This song is Mahal Naman Kita. Sana po magustuhan nyo. I Felt It's Fine, April 4. Soon in cinemas. Thank you.
Talaga yata wala nang pag-asa upang ako'y iyong piliin pa. Paano mangyayari kayong ako'y di mo pansin? Paano mo malalaman sa'yo'y may pagtingin? Lagi na lamang sa aking isipan, sana ito'y iyong maramdaman. Masabi ko na sana na minamahal kita. Doon mo nang malalaman, pag-ibig ko'y hanggang. Pangarap ka na lang pa, magiging katotohanan pa. Bakit may mahal ka ng iba? Ngunit di bali na, kahit mahal mo siya. Mahal naman kita. Kung totoong lahat ng yan, sana ako'y nangangarap na lang. Masayang man yan ay isang pangarap lamang. Di naman ako ganong masasaktan. Pangarap ka na lang ba o magiging katotohanan pa? Bakit may mahal ka ng iba? Ngunit di bali na, kahit mahal mo siya. Mahal naman kita. I Felt It's Fine, April 4, soon in cinemas. Paano mangyayari kayong ako'y di mo pansin? Di mo pa nalalaman, pag-ibig ko'y hanggang. Pangarap ka na lang ba o magiging katotohanan pa? Bakit may mahal ka ng iba? Ngunit di bali na, kahit mahal mo siya. Mahal naman kita. Bakit may mahal ka ng iba? Ngunit di bali na, kahit mahal mo siya. Mahal naman kita. Mahal naman kita. Thank you po. Hindi ko nagawa yung bali ko. Thank you. Hindi ko nagawa yung bali ko. Ano yun? Yan. Pa-practice ko kasi dapat. Oo. I-reviewin ko lang. Oh. Thank you so much, guys. So, sana po panoorin nyo I Felt It's Fine, starring Glyza De Castro and Rian Ramos. Soon in cinemas po yan. Ako yung OST, guys. Charis. Thank you very much. Yes, ate. Sa TV na lang yun. Hindi nyo kaabangan sa Bali. Huwag nyo kaabangan sa Bali. Why? Grabe naman. Yan, nakaduet ko po si Bron. Cover kami ng Niebe. Sa YouTube channel ko rin po yun. Yes, Daddy, hello? Sige, mag-ano na lang din ako, last 2 songs. And pahinga na tayo. Kay Joper, hello! Magiging katot. Abangan nyo si Chloe sa isang serye. Yes,
Abangan niyo po ako. Very soon, mapapanood niyo rin po ako sa GMA Primetime. Yes! Born to Shine. Malapit na po yan, guys. Abangan niyo yan. And this Sunday, nasa AOS po ako. And this Sunday, nasa Malasiki, Pangasinan din po ako for Kapuso Fiesta. So, sa mga taga Pangasinan, Malasiki, Pangasinan, magkita-kita po tayo doon. Yes! See you! Thank you very much. And hopefully, guys, you can follow me here on TikTok, sa aking socials, para updated kayo kung ano man ganap natin sa buhay-buhay. Thank you very much. Okay, last 2 songs na tayo. Okay. Pahinga na, bes. Tulugan na. alas 10 na. Ganda na ng room mo. Salamat! May pailaw na tayo dito, ate, oh. Unti-unti yan. Magbabago pa ba to? Mag-OST tayo. My heart will go on pa the... Ay. I see you. Thank you very much po sa inyong lahat. Ate Marie, thank you. Tita Tin, Bob, thank you po. Nangarap ka na lang ba Thank you, Vince. Salamat po. Yan, Daddy, tulog na. Pahinga na, Daddy. Salamat po. Thank you, Magnus. My heart will go on. Moira version. Hindi, ang request nga, ate, The Clash version. So, pati po ba yung lyrics natin? Ganon. Eme. Hi, Rara. Okay. Sige, last 2 songs. And hopefully, can help me achieve my goal, guys, for tonight. Feeling ko kaya natin i-complete to. Tsaka yung isa kong goal. No? Oo. Tama. Sorry. Pero, paano kung ito yung kantahin natin? Pambili ng swimsuit. Tama. Thank you, ate.
Tickles Music Covers.
Parang gusto ko kunin yung version kay Kuya. Sige, anyway.
Tickles Music Cover.
Nakanta ko na yung tala, guys.
Tickles Music Covers.
Minsan oo, minsan hindi. Minsan tama, minsan mali. Umabante, umatras. Kilos mong namimintas. Kung tunay nga ang pag-ibig mo, kaya mo pang isigaw, iparating sa mundo. Tumingin sa aking mata, magtapat ng nadarama. Di gustong ika'y mawala, dahil handa kong ibigin ka kung maging tayo sa'yo lang ang puso ko.
Thank you, Ate Marie.
Walang ibang tatanggapin, ikaw at ikaw pa rin. May gulo ba sa iyong isipan? Di tugma sa nararamdaman kung tunay nga ang pag-ibig mo. Tumingin sa aking mata, magtapat ng nadarama. Di gustong ika'y mawala, dahil handa kong ibigin ka kung maging tayo. Kailangan pa kitang iwasan, sa tuwing lalapit may paalam. Ibang anyo sa karamihan, iba rin pag tayo, iba rin pag tayo lang. Tumingin sa aking mata, magtapat ng nadarama. Di gustong ika'y mawala, dahil handa kong ibigin ka kung maging tayo. Sa'yo lang ang puso ko.
Thank you so much.
Thanks for watching. For karaoke song request, never hesitate to
Ano ba
call
to? Salamat po. Thank you, Vince. Thank you, Tita Tin. Stupid love. Ate Marie, salamat. Thank you, Bob. Maraming salamat po. Baka naman, guys. Baka naman. Konti na lang. Kagalaw na ang trend. Papahinga na ang Bob. Yee! Thank you, Ate Marie. Salamat po. Thank you so much po. Sayang wala si Bip. Piripipip. Isang araw, nagmamaneho sa Cubao. Pip, pip, pip. Pip, pip, pip. Aking nakita, babaeng saksakan ng ganda. Okay, mag-ano na tayo. Yes, last song na. Wala nang laman. Paalam na. Ano paalam na? Paalam na. Aking mahal. Die on this hill? Ay, last two. Die on this hill. Tapos paalam na. Die on this hill, tapos paalam na. Tapos tulugan na. Kasi mamamaalam na talaga yung siya. Na yan siya. Oo. Kasi paalam na. Oo. Sabi na yung last 3, naging last 6. Hindi! Naging last 4 siya. Sa halip na last 3. Thank you, guys.
Got me to stay. Said that you need me. Stop, 'cause these words don't have a meaning. No, they don't. At least not to me. There'll be a day I'll be more creative, a poetic way to say I'm not leaving to the world, not to your face. I'll take my pride, stand here for you. No, I'm not blind, just seeing it through. You take my life just for the thrill, and I'll take tonight and die on this hill. I always will. I know that I look stubborn and patient, but you wrote the book. I just took the page out to be loved, and nothing more. And you kept your word. You won a medal. The way that someone leaves this world, it all just levels. Tell me now, oh, tell me now. I'll take my pride, stand here for you. No, I'm not blind, just seeing it through. You take my life just for the thrill, and I'll take tonight and die on this hill. I always will. I'll be here the whole night. I'll be here 'cause I care. Yeah, I know you don't care. I know nothing could matter. God, I wish something mattered to you. I'll take my pride, stand here for you. No, I'm not blind, just seeing it through. You take my life just for the thrill, and I'll take tonight and die on this hill. I always, always, I always will. Thank you so much. Thank you, Beans. Thank you, RR. Grabe naman. Ganun ba kalagi kapag maglalaso? Bigla kayong ganyan. Nagugulat kayo, oo. Okay. Grabe ba? Wala na pala tayong tubig. Thank you very much. Might have to request for next live. Thank you very much. Oo, wala pa request yun. So kung may request man si RR, ano ang song request niya? Para if ever man, maaral natin. Again, maraming salamat po. So, relapse or hindi relapse, it's up to you. Vince,
to you. Pero magre-relapse tayo ngayon kasi yung this will be my last song. Maglalasong ba tayo? Yung totoo, maglalasong ba tayo? Thank you very much, guys. Kasi may paalam na. Paalam na, aking mahal. Kay hirap sabihin. Nakita kita sa Rustans ATC. Hello po! Grabe, saan nyo na pala ako nakikita, no? Sorry po. Wow. Anyway, sige. This is Paalam Na by Rachel Alejandro. I remember you did Akin Ka Na Lang on... Ooh. Wow. What a song. So, yun yung request. Song request. Oh. Taas, Des. Sige. Another last song? Isa pa.
Nais ko lang malaman mo ang laman ng aking puso, pagkat di na mabigyan ng ibang pagkakataon na sabihin ito sa'yo. Di ko ito ginusto na tayo'y magkalayo, ngunit di magkasundo, damdamin laging di magtagpo. Paalam na, aking mahal, kay hirap sabihin. Paalam na, aking mahal, masakit isipin na kahit nagmamahalan pa, puso't isip ay magkaiba. Maaring di lang laan sa isa't isa. Sana'y huwag mong isipin na pag-ibig ko'y di tunay, dahil sa'yo lang nadama isang pag-ibig na walang kapantay. Ngunit masasaktan lang kung puso ang pagbibigyan, kahit pa mamaalam ang siyang bulong ng isipan. Paalam na, aking mahal, kay hirap sabihin. Paalam na, aking mahal, masakit isipin na kahit nagmamahalan pa, puso't isip ay magkaiba. Maaring di lang laan sa isa't isa. Masakit isipin na kahit nagmamahalan pa, puso't isip ay magkaiba. Maaring di lang laan sa isa't isa.
Ay, St. Peter, hindi ganun, Bes. Ate Marie, maraming salamat po. Bes, hindi ganyan, Bes. No, no, no. Is a no, no, no. Kay Joper, thank you. See you soon, kuya.
Covers PH.
So, totoo bang paalam na? We have a last song, very last song, our very last song, very, 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 very last song. Tama ba? Meron pa tayong very, 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 very last song. Ay, nag-reset yung goal natin. Galing. So guys, hopefully you can help me achieve my goal for tonight. Tama ba? Final song unless. Anong unless? Nakita ko nag-reset eh. Si Hiro Ogado. Hanli pa din sa 2026. Ay, hindi ko po ginagalaw. Automatic na siya. Automatic ano na siya. Last song in 3 hours. Diba? Diba? Tiger ka. Kalabati mo na. Guys, si Tiger nandito, oh. And I have Winnie the Pooh over here. They're my best friends. Oo. Hindi ko alam, there's something with Winnie the Pooh. And yung mga characters dun sa Winnie the Pooh. Sobrang favorite ko siya. Wait lang, bago natin kantahin yung kanta natin. Chichika lang ako. At hanggang ngayon, wala pa rin po tayong Piglet. Alam nyo ba, sobrang favorite ko si Pooh before, nung bata ako. Meron akong wallet na Winnie the Pooh. Na hanggang ngayon buhay pa. Tapos meron akong bucket hat na Winnie the Pooh. Color pink siya, tapos may Pooh na print. Tapos, may mga stickers ako ng Winnie the Pooh. Tapos, ano pa ba? Lagi ko pinapanood ang Winnie the Pooh before. And then, ano pa ba? Ang alam ko, meron akong picture with Pooh nung nag-Hong Kong kami before. Kaso, ano pa ako noon, 5 years old. So, hindi ko alam kung nasan yung picture na yon. Pero, alam ko talaga meron akong picture with Pooh. I think I was 5 years old back then. Ba? English yun. English yun. Watching from Bahrain. Hello. Kanta ka na, ma'am. Wait lang po. Wait lang. Wait. Back then, slay. Yeah. Pero yeah, I think I'm down with my final song. Question mark yun. But yeah, thank you po. Thank you po. Thank you po. Itong last song natin. Tama ba? Mahirap to eh.
Top Hits Karaoke.
Minsan ko lang kantahin tong kantang to eh. Kasi nga mahirap siya. Oo. So, currently, thank you po. So, currently, we're on daily number 31. Wow, thank you po. Top 10, top 20. Diyan. Pang universe ba? I won. Pero, sige.